So you've saved up $1,000 and you've decided to invest in the stock market. Great decision. Now, before I tell you where I think you should invest it, we need to establish some rules. First of all, if you only have $1,000, only find one stock. Because every time you buy and sell a stock, you have to pay a fee to your broker. So the less you buy, or the less times you buy, the cheaper you can invest. Cost is really a killer, especially for amateur investors that invests very small amounts. Now, second of all, you want to find a stock that pays a good dividend. Dividend is basically interest rates on your stock. It is guaranteed income that you get every year from simply holding your investment. And dividend actually makes up most of the gains in the stock market. Now, thirdly, I would find something called an index fund. These are funds that cover off big parts of the market. It could be a country, a region, or even a whole sector of the stock market. This is the best way to invest as few times as possible, as safely as possible, and get as stable and good returns as possible. Now, my personal favorite index fund is from Vanguard, which is, in my opinion, the best provider for index funds and index ETFs for amateur investors. They're cheap, transparent, and it's a very easy and safe way to invest in the stock market. And my personal favorite is ticker VYM. It is an index ETF. It is a high dividend yield ETF. It pays 3.2% annual dividends. That means you get paid 3.2% every year on top of the 10% expected return from the stock market, and you can expect somewhere between 10 and 13% gain every single year. Very stable returns as well. It is an ETF, which means you can buy it on the stock market just like any other company or ETF. So there you go. That's my advice for anyone with $1,000. And if you want to know more about any of these topics, Vanguard, dividend, or the expected annual return of the stock market, you can visit investingforall.net.